We can create a quiz-type application to add buttons. Let's add a column widget. Below, we can see the widgets that are added as children. Children. Text widget. First question. Then add a raised button. The raised button is deprecated when the new version Flutter arrives. That's why we see strike through. We can use it here to learn. Child text widget. Answer 1. On pressed event. Let's add null for the time being. Let's copy and add with 3 buttons. You can add one with the elevated button that is the alternative of the raised button. Let's run. The question and answers are displayed below. It comes down to the bottom because the column widget is added. Now let us see how the onPress event works. For that, we can write a function. Void selected answer. Print answer selected. It will be printed on the console. Only the name of the function should be called on pressed. It calls as a pointer. Let's run. When you click on each button, you will see that it is printed below. Now we can write the function here in another way. Single line function. Bracket arrow print answer 1 selected. Yes. Answer 1 selected. We can also write a multi-line function. Print answer 2 selected. That 2 in print.